Hello everyone, welcome to the first episode of the year 2025. I've been away for a really long time and I am so excited to be back. I'd like to say a big thank you to everyone who checked in on me while I was away. And I want to let you all know that everything is okay. I just needed a break and I've never been better. Today I'll be showing you how to make a quick, easy and delicious mushroom fried rice. Let's get started. The first ingredient we'll need is a pound or two of oyster mushrooms. As you can see, these are still connected to the central stem, so the first step will be to pluck them off. Pluck your mushroom petals by gently pulling them off the central stem. You probably know how to do this if you're one of my OG subscribers. This is what the central stem looks like. I could pluck some more, but I'd like to use it for a future recipe. Let's place this in a container while we move on to the next step. The next step is to cut your mushroom petals into smaller pieces. This will not only make it easier to cook, but it will make your dish look even better. Excellent. Now we're ready to cook these. Place a large cast iron skillet on a stove set to medium-high heat, then add some avocado oil. Once your oil is hot, you want to bloom about 3 tablespoons of coriander powder. Add 1 tablespoon of dried thyme. Now you can give it a really good mix. We're going to let this bloom for 1 minute. Alright, back to the prepping station. Chop 1 red onion bulb. If you know why this is called a red onion, please let me know in the comment section. Saute your onions until fragrant. Once the onions are translucent, we're going to add our mushroom pieces. Add your oyster mushroom pieces, mix and make sure they're properly coated in the oil. Let it cook for 5 minutes on medium-high heat. Finally, chop about 6 or more garlic cloves. Add your chopped garlic and give it a good mix. Slice off the white parts of about 6 scallions, then save the green parts for use as garnish. Add your scallions and give it a quick mix. Let's head back to the prepping station. Slice 1 to 2 cups of baby bella mushrooms into thick slices. Once you're done slicing, you can add your mushrooms to the skillet. Don't mix it yet. Over here, I have a large fennel bulb, and I'm going to slice and dice it just like an onion. If you want to, you can prep all of your vegetables at once, or you can go back and forth like me. If you've never had a fennel bulb, you should really give it a try. It's a really healthy and tasty vegetable. They're relatively cheap and can be found almost anywhere these days. Add your fennel pieces to the skillet and let's prep the next ingredient. Slice 1 habanero with the seeds in for more heat. If you don't like heat, remove the seeds. Add your sliced habanero to the skillet. Slice and dice 1 green bell pepper. Add your green bell pepper to the skillet. Next, we're going to slice and dice a large red bell pepper. Add your diced red bell pepper to the skillet, then add some sea salt and adjust as needed. Next, add 2 tablespoons of onion powder. This is optional, but you can add 1 veggie bouillon cube. Add 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, then we can add 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. Finally, if you're a Teflon Don like me, you can add half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper and give it a good mix. Let it all cook for 5 minutes on medium-high heat. In the meantime, as a side quest, you can cook and salt 2 cups of long grain parboiled rice. If you don't know how to cook plain rice, click on the link above. After 5 minutes, add 2 cups of cooked white rice to the skillet and mix. At this point, you need to lock all of your doors and windows because your neighbors will come up with all sorts of excuses to visit you. In this case, sharing is not caring. Finally, we're going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut aminos and give it a really good mix, then let it cook for another 5 minutes on medium-high heat. If you want to, you can give it a mix every minute or thereabout. Once your rice is done, add about half a cup to 1 cup of sliced fresh basil, mix thoroughly, and let it cook for about 30 seconds to a minute. Check this out. We're done here. We're done. Game over. Here's what it looks like. I mean, what else do you want me to say? It's beautiful. This is a really strong start to 2025 and I'm here for it. Oh, before I forget, if you enjoyed this video and you're living the alkaline lifestyle, click on the link above for a similar recipe to this one. Enjoy.